Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Ramsey Custom Shop. This is Gary coming to you here with another video. And on this video, I wanted to talk to you real quick about another YouTube fabricator named Chance Fabs. I've got a link in the description. Go check him out. Several months ago, he created a little business card holder, and I'm doing my interpretation of that. He sort of did his out of a rustic hot rolled steel and some rebar, and I'm using some old stainless tubing. As you can see, I'm just grabbing some random scraps from other projects that I had laying around to be able to make this out of. As you guys know, or you may know, on Instagram there's a lot of different contests that goes on, and I believe there was one on this particular project, although I didn't really submit this as an entry into it. But I do have this business card holder on display at the local welding shop, and the thought was that it would be a good idea to show off, some stainless TIG welding capabilities to other welders in the area that may just do stick and MIG, and need to partner with someone to get stainless or aluminum TIG welding done. So here you see I'm using the Ox Toolco rod bender, and I've got some custom dies I made for it, but it bends this 3/8 tubing really easily. And if you're interested in checking that out, I've got the plans available to build your own, or a kit that you can buy that's got pre-cut pieces that you can, sort of DIY, build your own kit out of. There is a fair bit of work into putting that together. So it's on my website, ramseycustoms.com, or there's a link in the description of the video if you want to check it out there. So anyway, you can see this is, if you watch Chance's video, I'm kind of copying his general design, although mine's a little bit different. But it's all stainless tubing, stainless flat bar, and a stainless steel bolt that I used, and using a combination of lots of different TIG welding methods, including various pulse settings. You can see the pulses are going off here to create the little smiley face on the bolt head. So I had gotten this HTP Invertig 221, and I believe this was one of the first projects I had done with it. And so I was just, again, experimenting with different pulse settings to see what worked best. And this is the little flat bar that I cut and prepped. And again, just doing an autogenous butt weld with no filler. Just a fusion weld. I did most of it with fusion welds. I was able to get the gaps, really tight everywhere. And that, and a combination of the pulse, I was able to get that done. But here you see the business card holder all finished up. And again, if you want to check out that rod bender, you're interested in something like that, it'll bend up to 1/2 inch solid round, and you can bend tubing if you get the dies for it, which you'd have to work with me to get those, and I could give you the details on how to do that. But thanks guys, appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video.